channel. My name is Dipali and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So let me tell you something about my YouTube channel. This is like going to be my first video which I'm going to start by making a shopping haul. As we all know, Diwali is around the corner. Everybody is super excited and there are a few things that I bought from Amazon, Myntra and Meesho and some local market in here. So I want to show you all those things so that just in case if you want to buy them, I hope that is going to be really helpful to you all. So let's get started. So let's get started with the first product, which is these tea light candle holders that I've got. These are nice cute little elephant kind of design and I think it is made up of cloth. I don't know, it's a wooden thing and the cloth wrapped on it. These are nice, cute. You have this candle. They have given one candle also in it, so you can like burn it up, and it will look really amazing. You can put it as a decor on your table, or if you put rangoli or near your puja on the day. And I got 6 of them. They are in these 3 colors: green, yellow, and one more which is red. So 2 of each color. So I think it was really nice. This I got for 200, I guess around 200 rupees, and I would definitely recommend this because it's really worth paying that much. And I think I'm going to reuse them because they're like individually packed, so you can reuse putting different candles every time you use it, so you can go for it. Another product, this was from Amazon. And another product is again from Amazon. These are cushion covers that I got. Nice pink bright cushion covers. 16 by 16 is the size, and it has zip in it, which will allow me to put my cushions into that, and it will like give us a nice festive look. So for Diwali definitely, or any festival that we celebrate, let it be Eid or Gudi Padwa or Dussehra, anything that comes along, this is definitely going to complement your living room or the place which you want to decorate. And this was $2.99 a pair. Definitely worth buying. I would recommend it. The cloth is good, the quality is good, amazing. Then this was also from Amazon. So I've unboxed the product because I wanted to check so that if there's anything not correct, I can send it back, which is why I have unboxed them. But I wanted to make this haul for Amazon and for shopping products. That is why I did not keep them in the box. So these are nice wooden jaraukas that you can use for your wall decor. Okay, so in this you can hang it on the wall, and they'll nice give a amazing look. And it is all wooden, nice, and I'm sure it's, I don't know if it is hardwood or if it is, I can't name the the type of wood it is, but it's really hard and heavy. So this was for $5.49 from Amazon for pair. So I guess this was also a good deal because I recently moved into my new house, so I needed something which will help me decorate my entrance wall. So this is definitely something I actually wanted this from a long time, so definitely must buy for somebody who really wants that aesthetic look in their living room. So you can go for it. This is my 4th product from Amazon again. This is a table runner. You can use it on your center table, or if you have those long center table, usually people have the rectangular one. You can use it on your console table or your dining table. I'm going to use it for my console table, which I have at the entrance of my house. I will put everything and try and decorate stuff and show it to you so that you can relate to what I bought and how it looks. This is also nice and pink in color because my house, as I said, it's a new house and I recently moved here, so walls are white and everything. So I'm trying to light up the color and make the mood look everything festive. This is nice lotus print in it, if you can see, and from top to bottom it's really nice. The fabric is good. I think you can hand wash it, and it has this nice amazing golden tassel at the bottom. So yeah, all in all I would say this was also a good deal that I got, and it was worth paying this much because these kind of things are something that you can reuse. again, because we have so many festivals along, so you can reuse this product maybe sometimes on the console, sometimes on the center table, sometimes on the dining table. So this was worth buying. Then I got these festive wall hangings. These were for $2.99 on Amazon again. I would share all the link of products in the description, so that if you really want to buy, you can go ahead and check. Product descriptions are given. So qualities is matched. This also has nice bright color, red, blue and pink. Quite long for I can put it on the door or side of the window near my curtain. This will really complement my white walls and give me that cute little look. This has a hanging thing, so you can hang it on a command hook if in case you do not want to drill the wall. And this was also a pair, so yeah, this was also worth buying for me, and definitely I can reuse it. So all this product when I bought, I kept one thing in my mind, is that I want to reuse them so that I can save my money for next Diwali and probably put it in some good use for the next time. Another one is again a hanging that I got. These are super cute and amazing, pretty looking wall hangings. These are again festive kind of look. These I got for my home mandir, and this has a tea light candle, the one which is battery operated. So you don't have to actually lit up a candle in it. So this is really nice. I'm sure you can see it. See if you can you can make out. It's really cute and pretty. This thing that it has a mesh kind of thing is metal, and this I got from local market, not from Amazon, and this was 100 rupees a pair. So I loved it, and you can definitely reuse it for sure. If not mandir or anywhere you have at the entrance of your house, or maybe where you are going to put your the Diwali lantern, you can put it there also. Then another thing I got is this cute little lotus flower. This is some kind of a magic flower. This I got from Amazon for $2.99. So if I put it in the water, it just lights up. So this thing will lit up and will give us nice, the dim yellow light, which will enhance your ambience and give you a nice festive look. So if you can see, I have this glass bowl. So in the pebbles, if I put water and put this on top of it, it will look amazing, and it will be super nice. Obviously I can reuse it. If the battery gets open, there's this option which will allow me to open it. I can go and get the cell and definitely reuse it. So another thing definitely worth buying, and the quality is really amazing, so no compromise over there. This thing is Urli, which I got from Meesho, and it was for $5.99 I guess. I'm not sure exactly on the price, but I'll put it in the description again if we need a clarification on that. So this is amazing Urli. It is a metal Urli. I guess it's an iron, painted with golden spray. I don't know if it is golden also. Not too shiny bright golden, but it looks really pretty. Now if you see, there's this one flower missing, which came in the packet, but it was broken. But I did not return the product, because if I would have returned, it wouldn't have come in to me on time. So I thought, if it is something that I can stick, I would rather stick instead of sending it back and following up on that. So this was a little miss, but overall the quality is really nice. It's quite heavy. The flower is not something which is like too delicate. So you can buy this also, and probably I don't know, if you get a defective product, you can probably return. But this was like really a minute defect that I had, so I thought instead of me going through a trouble, also seller going through a trouble, if something that I can fix, I thought I can do that. And for that Urli, I got these flowers from Amazon. This was for $3.99. These are 50 odd flowers I guess. So let me show you how they look. This is how they look. They are nice off-white and yellow shade. really pretty, and something that will float on the water. I think the material is thermocol. I don't know if I can say thermocol, but it feels really light and it will float on the water. When I put decorate the urdi, I'll show you how it looks. It really looks nice. I will put everything, assemble everything for you all, so that you can see, and you feel that this is something we can buy. Again, something that we can reuse. Before, just you have to make sure that when you keep them for the next time usage, you just have to dry them before putting it in the box, which is why I have kept all the boxes handy with me, so that once the Diwali and everything is done, I will put this product back into the boxes, so that for reuse. Another thing that I got, this was from Meesho again. These are amazing tea light candle holders. This was a set of 4. Amazing product, looks really nice, cute and pretty, and now it matches my dress. So this thing is glass, and the whole body of the lantern is metal. I am sure it would be iron. This has an option where you can open it, put a tea light candle, hold it like this, and put it back. You can also put a tea light candle which is the real wax one. Also, if you want to put, you can put the battery operated. This was a set of 4, which I got for $5.49. So again, great deal. I think this was a little expensive on Amazon, but I got it cheaper on Meesho. So I thought Meesho is good then. So I picked it up from there. This was delivered on time. Everything was smooth for it. Really nice. There were few more products which I got from local market, but I thought those are something that it would depend on what area you would pick these products from. So I thought let me just go ahead and show you something that has fixed price for everybody, like Amazon and Meesho. So I hope you like my video. If you like, please give it a thumbs up, and if you do not like, and if you have any feedback for me, please share that too in the comment section. And request you to please subscribe my channel. Give lots and lots of love. Love you all. Bye.